Saying to Mr. Larry Gadon na, Larry Gadon, I will challenge you, who is the mental illness or who is will take care of, let's say, let's have a psychiatrist mental test. Oh, let's say what you are doing, you're saying bad words. Larry Gadon na, like I said to you, people are saying napakabastos mo. Oh, you are really hurting anybody. First of all, you do a dirty finger to Maria Lourdes Sereno. Another one, you curse Raisa Robles with the foul languages. You call, what was Larry Gadon said? Putang ina mo, Raisa Robles. Oh, that is a bad word. And not even just that, Larry Gadon, who's saying a bad words to Raisa Robles, now he was being sued and disbarred as a lawyer. Oh, like I said, it's really hurting to anybody. It's an act of negatives. It's an act of cyberbullying. Oh, Larry Gadon, you're really just like me. The time I just want to apologize to everyone to Luis Cabales. I know that time Luis Cabales asked me, I know he's a pro Aquino, Luis Cabales. He said to me, bakit ka gumawa ng fake account ng pangalan ko? Like he said, for me, mapopupulis kita, like what he said, or what does Luis Cabales said? Kakasuhan kita, and I know this is my mistake. While Christian Mengito had talked with Luis Cabales, kinausap ni Christian Mengito si Luis Cabales, and he said it, wag, and then he passed those messages from Luis Cabales in Messenger. He said it to me, and he said it, wag mo ko guluhin. Like he said before, pagpapasensyahan kita, like what he said to me. And I say to Luis Cabales, I apologize to you. I made you a fake account. When Christian Mengito messaged me at the time, I forgave Luis Cabales. But I said Luis Cabales forgives me. For what I made a mistake. When Luis Cabales says, I forgive you. Wag mo uulitin yan. Do not start a kind of a mess. If you start the kind of the mess, mauulit yan. Like I said, do not do that again. At least I understand Luis Cabales. Unlike this Larry Gadon, he's really worse. First of all, he insulted the Filipino Muslims who were Shia and Sunnis. When he say bad words, he says anything what he says. Do you see that Larry Gadon during in pandemic when General Guillermo Eleazar had sued against Larry Gadon for violating against the Bayanihan Act of 2020, I remember. This guy, he put a face mask in his face shield. Now Larry Gadon, he was being a police blotter. Na-blotter na si Larry Gadon dahil sa labag ng anti what's that the time Bayanihan Act of 2020, right? Bayanihan Act. And let's say that Larry Gadon, during in his cabinet of Bangag Bongbong Marcos, this person who calls Maria, what's that he said, Mary Grace, not Maria, Mary Grace Piatos, He insulted Sara Duterte, Mary Grace Piatos. And why did he ever insult Vice President Sara Duterte? You know, Larry Gadon, you were being sued of contempt. Kinasuhan ka pala ni Ferdy Topacio. You know that. As you can see, the Supreme Court had realized that Larry Gadon was being disbarred as a lawyer. You see, you know, Larry Gadon, you are just really like me. You know, the time I am same like a bully just like you. Me, I bully Luis Cabales. I know he's a pro Aquino. I don't want to bully Luis Cabales. I apologize to Luis Cabales that I made fake account on Facebook. Oh, when I realized that Luis Cabales said to me, wag mo aawayin ng mga Aquino family. He said to me, because I know Luis Cabales said to me, may anak po si Chris Aquino, si Josh Aquino. He is also a special child. He is also autism. What about this Larry Gadon? Would you ever insult Chris Aquino's son, Josh? Would you ever insult the mother of Chris Aquino, Cory Aquino, who is a grandmother of Josh Aquino, Salvador? The Aquino family has autism. How about you, Larry Gadon, the Marcos family? Look at the son of Bongbong Marcos, Sandro. He's normal. And the grandmother of Sandro Marcos, Imelda Marcos, normal. And the grandfather of Sandro Marcos, Ferdinand Marcos Sr., normal. Oh, they are all normal. Like the Aquino family, like Ninoy and Cory Aquino, they are normal. Chris Aquino is a mother of Josh Aquino, our housewife. She's a normal. Oh, Josh Aquino, Salvador, is also special. Oh, he's also autism. Do not discriminate against autism, the son of Chris Aquino, Josh. You know that, Larry Gadon. If, for example, Larry Gadon, you insulted anybody, oh, what if you insult Teacher Jessa Fernandez, that she is anti-Marcos? Let's say again, Larry Gadon. Oh, me, I apologize, Teacher Jessa, that I never want to make a fake account or making accusations against her. It will be violating an Anti-Data Privacy Act. Oh, for me, I do not want to harass Teacher Jessa. Oh, just because I know there was her husband, Sir Calvin Cuevas. Because I know Teacher Jessa Fernandez is an anti-Marcos. She has her own opinion. Just like, for example, oh, like Teacher Kel, Teacher Gio Malana, who are anti-Marcos. Oh, would you ever insulted them, Larry Gadon, while they are in the US? Oh, I know I apologize, Teacher Kel. I will never do that again, even that her boyfriend, her husband, is Eskel Penumbra. As like I said, I never want to insult um, Teacher Gia Malana, who was in the US. Oh, I will never insult Teacher Gio. Aside of Teacher Gio, I will never insult Teacher Vincent. Oh, I apologize to Teacher Vincent Ramos that I'm the one who made the fake account on Facebook. And I apologize him sincerely. For you, Larry Gadon, ha? You need to stop what you're doing. This is not really nice. You know, I criticize against you, Larry Gadon. And here's my accusations against you, Larry Gadon. your consequences will be up to you. Why you are being disbarred. Just like I said, consequences mo yan, Larry Gadon.